Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the WSOP app. So let's get started. So here you can use your Google Play Store, and if you're Apple user then you can use your Apple Store as well. So here I'm using Google Play Store. So at here you can directly open Google Play Store, and at the top right section you can see the account option. Just click on there. So at here you have to type the app name. So from here you can see the app. Just click on here. Then you have to click on the install button. So it will automatically download and install the app. Okay. And if you scroll down, you can see the ratings also. You can also rate this app from here as well. And you can see the ratings from here as well too. So this is how to download and install the WSOP app. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.